Hi guys, got a little disaster here. Some electric companies here, but this tree fell on my front porch and wires.
Yeah.
And
Right off of, yeah, he said there wasn't anything like that on there.
so you got the electric wire right here.
I could have eaten meat somewhere. We're right off of Lincoln Highway.
You can see the wires going through the branches there.
And then I could probably try to clear this up a little bit. Yeah, I could probably just literally clear up that Womack section.
Normally I would fix this, but that was years ago. I don't climb no more. Yeah, I think there is an insulator from looking up at it. So this is a mess. So
I might be able to make this happen.
well, it sounds like they're going to fix it for free, so which is great. Because I sure don't want to take money out of my savings for this. All right. Well, here, before I go, I'm going to let you look at Wolfie. Wolfie? Oh, no, I didn't put her out. I'll make a video of her later. So, yeah, we had a tornado nearby, town over. And then a earthquake, 3.4. So that was a mess last night. There's trees down all over that they fixed up. But, all right, everyone have a good day. That's what it's like here in Illinois.